Hi, I'm Paul. I'm a metering technician from Severn, Trent, and today I'm going to show you where your internal and external stop taps are and how to isolate them. Most properties have an internal stop tap. They can usually be found under the kitchen sink, in a cupboard, or near the water pipe where it enters your home. As this pipe is in with your property, it belongs to you and it is your responsibility. If you need to turn off your internal stop tap, this can usually be done by hand. You may need a torch or a phone light to help you see, and gloves to get a grip. You also may find that your stop tap is blocked by a cupboard or an appliance. Take care when moving these aside. If you can't find it or operate it, you will need to contact a plumber. You can find a list of water-safe plumbers on our website. Severn Trent are responsible for many external stop taps, but don't worry, you or your plumber do not need our permission to operate it. There are lots of reasons why you might want to access it. The main one is if you can't switch off your water via your internal stop tap. If you do need to access your external stop tap, you will usually find it outside your property, on your driveway, in the grass verge, or on the pavement outside your house. If you and your plumber can't find your external stop tap, just give Severn Trent a call. External stop lids can look slightly different. You could have a square metal lid or a round plastic one. But please be aware that you may share this stop tap with your neighbours. Therefore, make sure you are letting them know if you are planning to switch off the water